All set. Racing just is started with Milady's Magic. Break quick, let us start. Moving upon the outside is Magalang. Jaden Lablolo is running by the rail. Then next on line is Dear Jane Che. Mi Amor, while Bonjour is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn with Milady's Magic. Magalang is right behind in second. Then 4 lengths back in third comes Dear Jane. Jaden Love Lolo comes next, then followed over by Bonjour. While Che Mi Amor now racing in less. Racing down the back stretch, we have 2 runners now matching their strides together. Milady's Magic is running by the rail. Magalang is on the outside, 4 lengths back in third comes Dear Jane. Bonjour, Jaden Love Lolo, while Che Mi Amor is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, Magalang moves on the outside. Milady's Magic is running by the rail. Dear Jane now trying to get closer in third, and in fourth comes Bonjour. Jaden Love Lolo, while Che Mi Amor is still racing in less as they swing for home. We have Magalang this time by about 4 lengths. Dear Jane now on the outside. Then comes Bonjour. Milady's Magic last 75 years. We have Magalang followed by Dear Jane, Bonjour, and finally Magalang, Bonjour, Dear Jane, Jaden Love Lolo.
Number 6, Magalang, ang siyang unang tumawid sa ating finish line, ridden by Alex G. Gamboa. Then na segundo yung number 1, Bonjour. Tercera, number 4, Dear Jane.